So today we're going to do a little demonstration on hand-peeled logs. So this is what you're going to get most of the time from a mill. And once you remove all this excess bark right here, it's going to start to look like this. And you want to remove this outside layer here just to let it dry out a little bit. You just want to hold it a little bit of an angle and just lightly remove little bits at a time, the entire way down the entire log. That'll help let air get to the actual wood and avoid this protective coating that's kind of stuck behind the bark. And you're left with a nice smooth log. You're not taking big chunks out of it.